Hello and welcome to RDX Goa News Bulletin with me, Vidhi. Let's take a look on today's headlines. The decision of government taken on MOI is worth appreciating. Force Association's President Savio Lopez. Do not try to change Comunidad system by the pressure of government, warned Professor Madhav Gadgil. Voters' Day program was celebrated all over the state. New voting cards were given to the people who have completed 18 years. And now the news in detail. The decision of government taken on MOI is worth appreciating, said Force Association's President Savio Lopez. Every parent has a right to choose language for their child's education, and Chief Minister has agreed to majority's demand, he added. Mandar Nayak reports from Margao for RDX Goa.
Thousands of children in primary school in Goa placed two demands before the government of Goa on 5th March 2011. The positive aspect of the new MOI policy is that Konkani will be compulsory standard 10. And force, as many claim that we were all out to destroy Konkani, have actually succeeded in supporting and empowering our children with sound knowledge of Konkani. Force thanks the government of Goa, led by Mr. Manohar Parrikar, in taking a truly democratic decision which will favor the poor and downtrodden. We are grateful to all the parents and well-wishers with whose support we could sustain the struggle for 3 years. Their encouraging response for the cause gave us the courage to move forward and achieve the goal that was proposed in the Executive Committee efforts. The Chief Minister deserves a special thanks. No matter what is his personal opinion, he respected the demands of majority parents. Force appeals to all the stakeholders of MOI in Goa. Let us make a new beginning and put the interest of the little children of our future generation.
Make a point that the victory is basically of all the parents. The victory is of a democratic setup, and every parent has a choice as of today. The parents, it's not like we have imposed English on anybody. It's very clear. There is a choice for parents to send their children to English. There is a choice today to send their children to Konkani medium. There is a choice today to send their children to Marathi medium. So every parent has achieved and has been respected into this cabinet decision and the government policy into that. So I humbly request everyone, let us move forward from now on. Let us build up bridges. Let us move forward to see that the quality of education improves to a great extent, and we put in more emphasis on the syllabus and the pattern of education, because we are lacking a lot as far as the quality of education is concerned. So once we improve that, that's the time when our children will be able to face this entire world.
Do not try to change Comunidad system by the pressure of government, warned Professor Madhav Gadgil. He even said that Goa Parivartan Manch will try to raise voice against all the issues in the state. He was speaking after inaugurating Goa Parivartan Manch at Panjim. Yashwant Parab reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
So if we want genuine development, including of course issues like how land should be used, how water should be used, which I think is one of the key issues in your regional plan, how land should be used, how water should be used. All of this must be in the hands of people. It must, the people right down to grassroots must have an overwhelmingly important role in these decisions. And Goa, of course, in a way had started with a very interesting advantage, because when India went under colonial rule, in the rest of India, the community-based management systems were very quickly destroyed by the British. But similar systems did persist to some extent, though not fully, as your Gaukali or Kamilidar system in Goa. So in a sense, you start with a good base. Now we should go further, and actually, if the Kamilidar committees are not fully democratic, you should actually make sure they become fully democratic, fully participatory. Not bring in some government functionaries to destroy the autonomy of the Kamilidar system. So I understand that this is also one of the agenda of Goa Parivartan Manch. I think all these agendas make eminent sense.
On the occasion of Voters' Day, new voting cards were given to the people who have completed 18 years. This Voters' Day program was celebrated all over the state. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Mapsa and Kiran Borkar from Vasco reports for RDX Goa.
The main object to organize the National Voters' Day. The many young generations who have attained the age of the 18 years are not being enrolled in the voter list.
We are really into that. We are excited to see what is being done because we have never been into that. We have been considered as children always. So we are looking something new in our life, taking youth as a really interesting part in the parliament or any politics things.
Today being the Voters' Day, we have organized flash mobs in 4 different places in Goa. One being the bus stand here itself. This is in initiation with the Voters' Day. We have collaborated with the Election Commission here in Goa, and this is to create an awareness to the people of Goa about voting for better India.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पायाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and multi-cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosle, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margao, Goa. Contact 9158057860 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
Hey, why are you so gloomy? Arey, getting mad to locate what to give to my parents. I had to give my insurance premium this month, so the budget is also limited.
No problem, dear. You're probably not following the newspapers.
Why? What happened? What's special in the newspaper?
It's emotions, emotions and only emotion. An exclusive new brand store with all imported gift items, glassware, novelties, home decor, etc.
First time in Goa. You get 10% discount on any purchase. Get an assured suit length of kitchenware on any purchase over ₹2,000 only. You get a complimentary dining voucher for 2 packs worth ₹1,000.
Don't you feel it's one-stop location for all your needs?
Can you take me there now only?
Let's go.
Correctly said, it's the first time in Goa.
Just unbelievable and awesome.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आनी हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आनी धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Lusophobia Games, Goa 2014.
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अनगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन दंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय. मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर, परवरी, गोवा येथे.
Welcome back. A special committee has been formed by government to avoid the incident like the Ruby Residency in Murgaon. This committee will file their report before 31st January, informed municipality's Chief Officer YB Tavde. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco for RDX Goa.
So I mentioned we have taken precautionary actions after incident took place in our Kankona. We are now gathering data regarding the dilapidated conditions, inhabitants conditions and dangerous conditions building from our Mormugaon Municipal Council jurisdictions. Besides my technical section, I have written to all our 20 councillors to make out list from their wards of such structures and furnish to us in order to inspect it through our GEC's people, that Goa Electricity, as well as some PWD persons. Government has appointed some expert committee. On their views, we have to furnish this data to them, and then after they will make necessary inspection. And the moment it will come to know, okay, yes, this building is declared is unfit for the habitation, we will take necessary action for removal of it. We are getting stability of that, because as you know, this building is going to be renovated. Our consultant is also appointed. They have already checked up this building, I think some 15 days back. in order to measure this area of this internal outer also. As far as other our municipal buildings are there, we have already returned to engineering college to inspect the buildings and tell us the status of that buildings. So, people also should come forward to inform such things if any complaint with them or they have any knowledge of such buildings, and if it is really illegitimate, then they should come forward, and they should also cooperate whenever we issue notice to remove from that buildings.
Internet is very important in one's life. Therefore, school students should learn all the modern technologies through internet and get developed in their lives, said Mayam MLA Anand Sheth. He was speaking after distributing tablets to school students at Mayam. Mayam Sarpanch Veena Chodankar, Mangla Garde, Yogdas Kudalkar and other dignitaries were present. Sudesh Mehkar reports from Bichalim for RDX Goa.
Information technology आणि ह्या तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर शालेय स्तराचेर जावन शालेय भुरगे जे आसा त्या भुरग्यांक ह्या योजनेद्वारा आपल्या शिक्षणात प्रगती करपा खातीर जे खरें आवश्यक गजाल आसली त्या योजने अंतर्गत 6वी आणि 7वी ह्या भुरग्यांक आज टॅबलेट पीसीचे वितरण जाता. इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजीचे ज्ञान ह्या जीवनाचो अविभाज्य भाग जाल्लो आसा आणि ताका लागूनच सरकार आयज ही योजना फुडें व्हरता. जितल्या बेगीन आनी जितल्या जलद गतीन कंप्युटर ज्ञान आमी संपादन करतले तितल्या बेगीन आमचो विकास आनी आमच्या ज्ञाना भितर प्रगती जावपाक जाय. आमच्या शिक्षक जे वर्ग आसात त्या शिक्षक वर्गा कडेन विनंती करीत दिसता की विद्यार्थ्यांक ह्या गोष्टीचो किंवा कंप्युटर किंवा पीसी आसा तो पीसीचो वापर करता आसतना तांकां व्यवस्थीत मार्गदर्शक घालून दिवप आणि खरें म्हटल्यार ह्या गोष्टीचे संस्कार भुरग्यांचेर हाडप हेच महत्वाचें आसा.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो, सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत. संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्ता आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाणे आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फैशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बैंक के लगे बेती.
Saloni ladies wear. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center. Specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansalam, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823524014 or 9405166141. Mallikarjun Caterers.
Link Point. Advertising, communication, designing.
Offers for audio-visual production support.
Advertisement, films.
Corporate profile.
Documentary.
Weddings, conference recordings.
Audio recordings and dubbing. making of features and short films. Shooting equipment hire. Call 9850089429 75073909660.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो राखपाक गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
Welcome back. Socio-economic and caste census 2011 is hereby published in the Gazette for information and inviting claims and objections, if any, under Section 2011. Accordingly, the draft list under Section 2011 is printed and will be published on 3rd February 2014, informed Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Porvaram.
Socio-economic and caste census 2011 हितून सगळे घरांनी भोंवन हो सेन्सस डेटा कलेक्ट केल्लो आमचे 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट नंबर ऑफ एन्युमरेशन ब्लॉक्स 3165 नंबर ऑफ तालुकास 4 centers 15 number of enumerators employed about 800 approximately number of data entry operators with the enumerator is 800 approximately number of supervisors staff of government 130, number of data entry operators with supervisors 130, number of technical official positions in Goa 30, total population envisaged in Goa 14.57 lakhs, total population captured in socio-economic and caste census 12.88 lakhs, 88%. Yeah, आता हो census तयार जावन ही माहिती तयार झाल्या. नाव दिस इज फॉर ऑब्जेक्शन्स हे आता ऑब्जेक्शन हांगा तर लोकांनी आपल्या कास्टा बद्दल आपल्या सोशल इकॉनॉमिक स्टेटसा बद्दल ऑब्जेक्शन घालपाक जाय ते चुकलां दुरुस्ती करपाक जाय जाल्यार हेजेर आतां तेका मेनेजर टायम अबाउट 45 days टायम पिरियड आहा सगळे पंचायतींनी माहिती दवरलेली आहा सो जोण एकल्यान कोणा आपलो कास्ट बद्दल कोणाक माहिती चुकीची गेल्या जाल्यार हे दुरुस्त करी येता डेटा सगळी गव्हर्मेंट स्किमी जे तयार जाता पळय तो डेटा वापरतात न्हू कितके लोकांक गावतलो कितके लोकांक पयशे दिवपाक जाय.
Film critic Ganesh Matkari said that standards of multiplex theatres have increased and they got their existence back. He was speaking during the lecture on films at Gomant Vidyaniketan, Margao. Mandar Nayak reports from Margao for RDX Goa.
आता पॅरलल सिनेमा ही जर आपण टर्म बघितली म्हणजे समांतर सिनेमा म्हणा किंवा पॅरलल सिनेमा म्हणा तर त्याला एक आणखीन एक आपल्या कोलोक्वियल भाषेमध्ये जर बघितलं तर त्याला आणखीन एक शब्द आपल्याकडच्या समांतर सिनेमाला आहे. त्याला म्हणतात आर्ट फिल्म जसं पण म्हणायचे काही वर्षांपूर्वी म्हणजे कलात्मक चित्रपट. तर आता जर या दोन्ही टर्म्स आपण बघितल्या की समांतर सिनेमा आणि कलात्मक सिनेमा तर त्याच्यामध्ये कुठली टर्म अधिक योग्य या प्रश्नापासून मला वाटतं आपण सुरुवात करायला पाहिजे. माझ्या मते जर दोन्ही टर्म्स बघितल्या तर त्याच्यामध्ये समांतर सिनेमा ही शब्दरचना ही टर्म अधिक योग्य वाटते कारण त्याच्यामध्ये एक प्रकारची या सिनेमाची व्याख्या आहे की समांतर सिनेमा म्हणजे कशाला समांतर, तर व्यावसायिक सिनेमाला समांतर जाणार. आपल्याकडे पूर्वीपासून जर आपण बघितलं तर एक प्रकारची सिनेमाला करमणूक असं धरून केलेली एक एस्केपिस्ट फॅन्टसी ज्याला आपण म्हणू, अशा प्रकारच्या सिनेमाची एक ट्रेडिशन आहे, एक परंपरा आहे. आणि त्या परंपरेला पॅरलल जाणारा सिनेमा म्हणून पॅरलल सिनेमा. कलात्मक सिनेमाची जर आपण बघितलं तर त्याचा अर्थ काय होतो की ज्याच्यामध्ये कला आहे, म्हणजे थोडासा त्याच्यामध्ये एक पोज आहे एक प्रकारची, की आम्ही करतोय ते काहीतरी विशेष आहे, विशेष कलात्मक आहे आणि बाकीचे लोक, व्यावसायिक लोक करतायत ते नुसतेच पैसे मिळवण्यासाठी करतायत. तर आता हे जर आपण बघितलं तर ते तितकंसं बरोबर आपल्याला म्हणता येणार नाही, कारण व्यावसायिक सिनेमामध्ये सुद्धा अनेक मोठे दिग्दर्शक होऊन गेले ज्यांनी खूप चांगला, खूप वेगळ्या प्रकारचा सिनेमा दिला. अगदी गुरुदत्तचे सिनेमे आपण घेतले किंवा राज कपूरचे अनेक सिनेमे आपल्याला म्हणता येतील, किंवा ज्यांच्यामधून पॅरलल सिनेमा एक प्रकारे थोडासा घडत गेला, बिमल रॉय सारख्या दिग्दर्शकाचं नाव घेता येईल. यांचे सिनेमे हे म्हटलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये कला खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये होती. त्यामुळे व्यावसायिक सिनेमा हा काहीतरी हीन प्रकारचा आणि आम्ही करतोय तो सिनेमा श्रेष्ठ असं जे आर्ट फिल्म्स वाल्यांचं जे म्हणणं होतं, त्या दृष्टीने हे आर्ट फिल्म ही टर्मिनॉलॉजी आहे ती मला वाटतं बरोबर पुरेशी वाटत. समांतर सिनेमा याच्यामध्ये एक महत्वाचा असा फरक असतो की व्यावसायिक सिनेमाला घडवण्याची काहीतरी घाई असते, म्हणजे त्याचा पूर्ण त्याची रचना ही साधारणपणे एक पॉइंट ए पासून पॉइंट बी पर्यंत कथानक जायला पाहिजे या दृष्टीने केलेली असते. आणि समांतर सिनेमा हा त्याच्यामध्ये कुठेतरी असतो, म्हणजे त्याला गोष्ट घडवणं किंवा अमुक काहीतरी अशामध्ये त्याला इंटरेस्टच नसतो. त्याला कधी व्यक्तिरेखांमध्ये इंटरेस्ट असतो किंवा कधी त्याला वेगळ्या प्रकारचा आशय काहीतरी मांडायचा.
Before we wind up, here's a recap of the headlines. The decision of government taken on MOI is worth appreciating. Force Association's President Savio Lopez. Do not try to change Comunidad system by the pressure of government, warned Professor Madhav Gadgil. Voters' Day program was celebrated all over the state. New voting cards were given to the people who have completed 18 years. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.